In this video, I'm going to show how to buy an Amazon gift card online. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Maybe you forgot somebody's birthday and you want to send them something right away. And it's all handled here in the Amazon app. It is the brown and blue one right here with a smiley face. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Amazon app. This is the home screen here. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to buy an Amazon gift card online, what you want to do is click on the search bar right here. Once you click there, what you're going to do is type in Amazon gift card. You will see a drop-down menu of all the different types of Amazon gift cards. Usually, I'm going to choose the digital cards. I'm going to click on this one right here. Okay, once you've done that, then you want to scroll down and you're going to see Amazon.com e-gift card. Make sure you choose digital if you need it to go through immediately because they do have Amazon physical gift cards. But those ones have to go through the delivery system. So that can take days before you actually receive the physical card. But that's completely up to you. For me, I usually buy the Amazon e-gift cards. So I'm going to click on this line right here. Okay, so once you've clicked that, you get to choose the format for your Amazon gift card. Just scroll through until you see one that fits the occasion that you're sending it for. Use this one right here. You can also add your photo as animated or just leave it at standard, which is what we have right here. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the amount of the Amazon gift card that you're buying online. They have these quick buttons, $25, $50, or you can go ahead and add your own dollar amount right here. I believe the minimum for an Amazon gift card is going to be $1. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and buy a $10 Amazon gift card online. Next, you get to choose how this Amazon gift card is going to be delivered, email or text message. For me, I usually use email. And that way, if the person forgets about it, they can easily search their inbox. That's really up to you. If you're going to send a gift card through email, what you would like to do is to put that person's email in here. Your name is listed here, and then you can also go ahead and put some sort of message like Happy Birthday or Merry Christmas right here. If you scroll down a little bit further, here you'll be asked how many gift cards you'd like to send to that person. I'm going to leave it at 1 here on this line. You can go ahead and schedule the Amazon gift card to be delivered at a future date, or you can do it as quickly as possible if you leave it as now. So I went ahead and filled out all the required information. I'm going to click on this buy now button. Okay, next is it brings me over to this confirmation screen. So I'm buying a $10 Amazon gift card online. They do let me know that the delivery is usually within 5 minutes. It lets me know the payment method that I'm using to buy this gift card online from Amazon. Also, it has my shipping address, which isn't really necessary because this is going to be sent through email. So if all that looks good to you and you still want to buy your Amazon gift card online, go ahead and click on this yellow place your order button, and it lets me know that I have purchased an Amazon gift card online, and that shows the email that this will be sent to, and they let me know. It's usually just a few minutes. However, there can be a delay if there's some sort of security review process that's necessary, and that is how to buy an Amazon gift card online. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.